It would not be a Huawei smartphone launch without a new Porsche Design model, and the Mate 20 is no exception. This is the Mate 20 RS, and it's the second Porsche Design and Huawei phone we've seen this year, following the Mate RS at the beginning of the year. So what's different about the new Mate 20 RS? Well, the big difference, if you've followed Porsche Design's phones in the past, is that this one has got a notch. Yeah, we're going to let that sink in for a little bit, because the Mate RS did not, and Porsche Design did not want it on there. However, for the Mate 20 RS, the notch has appeared, and it's a big notch like the Mate 20 Pro. The phone, however, as I readjust my grip, is slightly smaller. This is the 6.4-inch OLED screen, just like the Mate 20, rather than the large Mate 20 Pro. But the design is wonderful. It's very slim and incredibly comfortable to hold. These are real leather panels on the back here, separating a glass center panel and that 3-lens camera in the center there. The camera is the same as Mate 20 Pro, so you get a 40 megapixel main camera, 20 megapixel ultra wide, and an 8 megapixel telephoto, along with the flash unit. Around the front, you've also got the in-display fingerprint sensor that we've also seen before from Porsche Design. They certainly put that into the Mate RS with varying levels of success. We're hoping this is more representative of what we've seen so far on the Mate 20 Pro, which works very well. The phone, well, it's going to cost you more money, you already know that, but if you're considering a Porsche Design phone, you aren't going to care about the money. So we're not even going to tell you, you can look it up for yourself. But yes, it's over 1,600 euros if you want the basic one, or over 2,000 euros if you want the full 512 gigabyte model. What you do get as well is the 4,200 milliamp hour battery inside, and this comes with Huawei's new 40-watt supercharge system that gives you very fast charging indeed, 70% in 30 minutes, which is excellent performance. You get the Kirin 980, you get 8 gigabytes of RAM and either the 256 or 512 gigabytes of storage space. It is a truly luxurious phone for a truly luxurious price. We love Porsche Design, and we love that this is very much a Porsche Design phone with this symmetrical shape and the wonderful in-hand feel, because they adopt those design techniques for which the house is famous for. We're still quite surprised about the presence of the notch, but there is one there. That is the Porsche Design Mate 20 RS.